position.
लाइट का समझ लिया तुम लोगों ने.
You have to press this. Okay. It will take out.
थर्मो सिंपल है.
You have to take this like this. Okay. If you take like this is a lock. So you have to take like this. Okay. This will be at the upward. You have to take this. Inside it.
इकट्ठा कर दे उधर.
Okay. Then you have to close. Okay. Now you have to set. You have to give in ml per hour or drop per minute. If I have to set in drop per minute, then you have to press set. Okay. How many drops and how much volume you have to set. If like I have to give 50 drop. Okay. Just have to say 50.
Touch screen can use it
Okay.
actually.
50 and how much volume means 100 volume you have to give 200 ml. You have to give. You have to go there. 200. That's it. You have to. Okay. Then set. Now you can see 50 drop per minute. It will go up to 200 ml. The how much ml it will go, it will show you here. Like 1 ml has gone, it will show you here. When it completes 200 ml come here, it will automatically stop. Just like I have to start. Okay, I have set it. Now start.
release करो. Start कर.
Start कर दिया. See, the drop is coming.
Start कर.
If you have to stop in between it, just stop. Okay. Now you can convert into ml per hour also. Like select same. The same volume has been converted. Like I have given 50 drops, 200 ml. Na? So 58 drops has been converted to the 150 rate. Means rate is a speed. With a speed of 150, 200 ml will go to the patient. Okay. When the 200 ml will be completed, it will show you here. So you can give in ml per hour also and drop per minute also. Okay. Where you have to change from here. Like to drop per minute, then you have to set. You have to set only these two. Drop, how much drop and how much volume. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And this is for the close. Means you have to shut down the machine. On and off is from this side. Behind is the charging dock. So that this is the charging dock is there, every machine. And this is for, you can hang it here also. This also. This hanger is also there. You have to connect here. You can hang it also.